I just bought a Glock. It's a 43X Mos. And let's have a look what comes in the box. Pretty standard case. And here we go. First impressions, well, there's not much in the box. Let's see. You get a basic cleaning nylon brush, a cleaning rod, which I suppose, yeah. Okay, this feels flimsy. There's some paperwork here, of course. That's Glock telling you how to mount the optic. And some basic instructions, which are upside down. Okay. Yep, basic stuff. You get two 10-round magazines and a speed loader, if you can call it that. No. It's a dummy round. Okay, this is weird. Nope. So here's the other one, and then you get the Glock itself. I will make a range test and probably a sort of a review later on. This is just a quick unboxing for you to see what's in the box. Yeah, as I said, there's not much. Glock went a bit stingy with the equipment compared to guns like Canik, which come loaded with extra equipment, extra cleaning, set of tools, even a holster that you can use. There's none of it here, so just that weird speed loader and two mags. That's it. But the gun feels good. The trigger is surprisingly good. There are horror stories I heard about Glock triggers, but this is not terrible. Yeah, pretty good. Okay, review and range test coming soon. Take care.